Imagine this. The sun, gone. In its place, a magnetar. Game over. Instantly. One of the deadliest objects in the universe, right where our warm golden star used to be. Tiny, but insanely dense. Its magnetic field, so powerful, could shred every atom of your body. Before you even say, Earth, toast. You, gone, everything, vaporized. And that's just round one. Because in this video, we're swapping the sun with the most extreme monsters space has to offer. Some will destroy us instantly. Others might actually give us a chance. Let's start brutal. The red giant. The sun will actually become one of these in about 5 billion years. Picture it, swollen, blazing, 200 times bigger than today. Mercury, gone. Venus, gone. Earth, swallowed whole. You wouldn't even catch the view. Just instant fireball. The skies, deep orange. The oceans, boiling away. The ground beneath you, melting. Earth wouldn't stand a chance. Red giant takes a 9 out of 10 on the how horrible is this scale, only missing a point. Cause well, you don't even get to admire the chaos. Alright, rewind. Let's try something smaller. A red dwarf. Looks harmless, right? It's cooler, dimmer. The sky turns this dull, eternal dusk. Soft reddish dot overhead. But don't be fooled. With so little heat, Earth freezes fast. Week 1, sub-zero. Year 1, -100 C. The air's still. The oceans turn solid. Life above ground? Dead. Only bacteria hiding deep in vents might cling on. Score, 4 out of 10. Because hey, at least you'd last a little while. But let's scorch things again. A blue star. Enormous. Furious. Blazing white-blue fire. One of the hottest stars in existence. Energy pouring out thousands of times more intense than our sun. You last seconds before radiation fries you alive. Earth's rocks would literally melt. The oceans? Steam clouds. The surface? Ash and lava. Not even Mars could help you this time. That's a hard 5 out of 10. Pure chaos, but quick. Now, dial it up. A neutron star, born in a colossal supernova, the densest things in the universe. Picture the sun's mass squeezed down into the size of a city. The sky? Pitch black. No sun, no moon, just stars. Photosynthesis? Gone. Life? Done. And the radiation? Lethal. A pulsar would sweep Earth with blinding bursts of energy. Freeze and fry at the same time. Awful way to go. 7 out of 10. And then, the magnetar. Think neutron star on steroids. Magnetic fields trillions of times stronger than Earth's. Satellites? Dead. Power grids? Fried. Radiation storms rip straight through the magnetosphere. Auroras? Beautiful. But you'd be glowing green for all the wrong reasons. 8 out of 10. Catastrophic. Finally, the black hole. The hungriest, scariest object in the cosmos. Let's keep it fair. Same mass as the sun. Earth wouldn't fall in. Orbital dance? Still the same. But here's the catch: no light. No warmth. Just darkness. Look up, and you'd see nothing. Except occasionally, the eerie halo of light bending around a cosmic shadow. Earth freezes solid down to -240 C. Life turns to ice. But hey, you don't get spaghettified. So, 6 out of 10. The conclusion? Nothing, even the terrifying, spectacular objects of the universe, can beat the humble star we orbit right now. The sun is perfect, warm, steady, home, so appreciated. Because the alternatives are the stuff of cosmic nightmares.